So I made a hollow spindle. It's got about a 0.78, so 3/4 inch bore. So I could fit a 3/4 inch rod through it. I wish I could go a little bit bigger, but the chuck only has a 0.85 something bore, so oh well. In hindsight, I'm not absolutely thrilled with the design of this thing. Mostly because of the exposed belt next to the chip area, which kind of makes it impractical for, you know, really messy machining. But a stupid mistake on my part was the clearance between the motor and the jaw of that chuck there. Because, say I open it up to want to get something, you know, a big piece of metal in there, right about there. Can you see this? Yeah, the jaws hit the motor, which is kind of retarded on my part. So I think instead of the motor being 45 like that, I'm going to tilt it 90 and shove it as close to this wall as I can. And hopefully that'll give me enough room. It's kind of a stupid mistake. Even after designing this whole system in CAD, didn't see that coming. But whatever. So inside the adapter here I've got a tapered roller bearing and a needle bearing. So the shaft itself stays stationary, but everything else turns. And as you can see, this is very weak. Not much holding torque, which might really, really suck when I try to machine something. But anyway, I've got the steps per set to 1 inch is 1 degree. So if I want to go 360 degrees, I type in 360 inches. So go to the MDI and type in A, let's say 180. A0. And then A360. 1 full rotation. And a good example would be on my handy little flashlight here. I didn't make this, but I bought it. Really nice LED flashlight. Anyway, notice how it has 4 holes in the bottom there. You would just chuck this up. Ta-da! So hole number 1 is roughly on top right now. And then we go A90. We'll get the other hole on top. A180. Get the other hole on top so I could drill a similar pattern into whatever I'm making. As well as any number of awesome things that one can do with a rotary table. So, time will tell. But yeah, I'm not thrilled with the holding torque of this thing. Holy cow. I don't know. Oh well.